Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I wired this whole thing. So first of all, you have this cable which has to be plugged into a power bank or a power source. I have this power bank which lasts about 2.5 hours with the LED lights turned on, which is very good to be honest. I have this which was previously mounted here. That's it for easy access. And so basically I have the control board here. Change the color, the speed, the light mode, and everything is like connected here. It doesn't look too bad from far away. Here the cable goes down, 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 and here I've connected it to here because then it will just flap around here and it'll hit the tire and this. So basically it just goes down and here. Here you guys know what to do, you just have to connect this. And obviously, you can see the LED lamps are pretty nice. So now let's do a test on the LED lights. So what I have to do is plug this into the power bank. I'm going to do this off camera because it's too hard. So here, I've just put it into the power bank and it turns on, but we don't want to turn on just yet. Put this in, shut it in place, leave it like this, so you could like turn it on and off whenever you want here with the button. Right now I have 4 buttons and now the thing's turned on. Let's turn off the lights and let's enjoy the view. So right now, I just turned off the main light and my other light. Now I just have the torch from my phone. Basically what you want to do is press this once and boom! That looks cool. Now when you're riding at night with your lights turned on, you got the back light here and the front light and you're like and now you can just look at the view. Yeah, that's what I meant when I did this. So I think that looks pretty cool. And I have changed it to the light mode where it changes colors. So that is very nice. So basically when you want to turn off, you just double click and it's off. I like it this way. So let me just take this out now. Be careful. One-handed mode. I can't edit this video today. It's freaking 10 PM. And this power bank is really good. It costed me about like £15. It's 4000 mAh. And it lasts very nice for my scooter. So if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe for more.